Hi, today I'm going to introduce a new product variants in our portfolio. The brand name is Pallante and Regia. So in this Pallante we have three variants, and Regia we have different products including peel tomato. So if you are a healthy restaurant or you want an organic pasta, we have penne as well as a spaghetti in this brand. So we'll show you how to make an organic pasta or a whole wheat pasta. You can see the video, and if you have any doubt regarding this or any other products in our portfolio, you can get in touch with us. Thank you very much.